Welcome to my Honda Element camper conversion. I'll show you the inside. Built a bed. So this is cool because you can actually sit up if you want, and I can fold it up like this, basically into itself, put it away, or I can just leave it out and then it goes all the way back down flat. So I like that. There's a close-up of it. So it's not massive, but it's perfect for me. Have enough space here so I can have a bathroom there, a toilet in the middle of the night. Then Rex has the front seat, and he also has this cushion in the back. This is the coolest part. I have running water there, I'll show you in a minute. I have a cooker, 2 burners. I also have a plate here if I want to put it up, if I want to cook here. I can also lift this out, completely out, see, and take it to a camp table. Here over here I have a cooler, obviously countertop as well, and then I have running water here. And I also can change this out to a shower. So this is my camper conversion, and it's in my Honda Element